Hey girls, hey guys, I'm Sakura. This time I'm going to introduce you this one. Cheetos, like you can see. And the flavor is barbecue flavor. I don't know what kind of Cheetos flavor you have, but it could be unique. And in Japan, the barbecue sauce is soy sauce base. You know barbecue and barbecue sauce, but you don't know soy sauce based barbecue sauce. So it will be different from what you imagine. And it was 69 yen. Okay, let's open it. It smells strong. Okay, it looks like this. Okay. The shape is Cheetos, yeah, like you know, and the color is a little bit reddish brown, I think. And smell is, yeah, quite strong. Yeah, it smells barbecue sauce. I have a bite. Yeah, I like it. Yes, I think it's barbecue sauce. I feel it. I don't think you mind it. It's really good actually. What should I say? You don't feel soy sauce, of course, but it's in here. The ingredient part, it says soy sauce. So yeah, for sure this is soy sauce based barbecue sauce flavor. But yeah, it's barbecue. You like it. Yeah, I don't think you mind it. Okay, that's it for this video. If I find another unique flavor Cheetos on supermarket, I'll show you again. See you later.